This 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, TV, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, oven, spare tire kit, refrigerator, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, microwave, smoke detector, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 297QB is 7,190 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.